What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This video here, I'm going to be going through this Merchant Automotive Deluxe Injector Removal Tool for an LB7. So, let's get going. So this set is pretty sweet. There's a part number right there, a 10520, and it is the Merchant Automotive Deluxe Injector Removal Tool. So when you open the box, instructions are there as well. Comes with this nice piece of foam here. Comes with this fork or wedge. This is for after you have the injector out, and if the cup comes out with the injector, you put the injector in a vise and wedge this in between the cup and the injector, and you can tap it and then start wiggling it and it'll pop out. Also comes with this injector holder piece. So this is the part that will bolt onto the injector. Nice threaded tube nut with nice grips on there, so you can thread it onto the top of the injector. And comes with this piece here, completes the set. So it makes it so it rests on the head there. The bolt goes up through it. And yeah, so let's see it in action.
All right, so we got our tool out, and the portion that line nut goes down into, or that big tube nut, goes up and over where the injection line comes onto the injector. It gets threaded on to where the line goes on, and just give it a little wiggle to get it down all the way, and then tighten it up a hair more. Then you want to take the extractor bracket that goes down to the head, put it over the stud, take the nut that goes onto the stud, thread it down so it touches the extractor bracket, and then I believe it is a 14mm wrench. I'm using a ratchet wrench here, and all you do is tighten the nut down. So as you're tightening the nut, that will cause the extractor to extract the injector. On an LB7, they're pretty easy to come out because they have an injector cup, and if the injector itself doesn't come out, then the cup will come out with the injector. Then once it has pretty much bottomed out or is very free, you thread the nut back off, take the injector bracket off, unthread the tube nut to remove the main body of the extractor itself. And as you can see on this one, the cup did come out. That is where that wedge piece will come in handy.
So there we go, guys. If you're looking for a budget-friendly LB7 injector removal tool, I would highly recommend the Merchant Automotive Kit. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like us on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube, and follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.